Markets fall sharply as tech, industrial stocks p.ull Dow down as much as 600 points. New York, stocks are falling sharply on Wall Street as big technology and industrial companies take heavy losses. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged as much as 600 points Tuesday, weighed down by sharp drops in Caterpillar, a heavy equipment maker, and manufacturer 3M. Caterpillar warned of weaker profits in 3M, like several other manufacturers reporting their quarterly results, said it was seeing higher cost for raw materials. The Dow was down 540 points, or 2.2%, at 23,918. It was down as much as 619 earlier. The S&P 500 index lost 44 points, or 1.7%, to 2,626. The Nasdaq gave up 144 points, or 2%, to 6,984. Misprint, Alphabet slid 4.9% to $1,021.74 after the company said ad revenue climbed, but expenses also rose. Google's parent company benefited from strong digital ad sales as well as an accounting change. Facebook fell 3.5% to $160.10 and Microsoft skidded 1.8% to $93.65. Another market favorite, Amazon, shed 3.7% to $1,461.77. Industrial weakness, 3M, which makes post-it notes and industrial coatings and ceramics, shed 8.3% to $197.92 after it cut its annual forecast. Defense contractor Lockheed Martin sank 5.9% to $337.49 and Boeing lost 2.3% to $330.91. Appliance maker Whirlpool also surpassed expectations and rose 5.5% to $158.45 and it helped lead an early rally in the sector. Caterpillar said the strong global economy helped its sales of construction and energy industry machinery and it raised its forecasts for the year. It jumped in early trading but later fell 4.1% to $147.70. Mining company Freeport-McMoRan plunged 16%. Bond prices were little changed after an early dip. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note stayed at 2.98%, matching Monday's close. Earlier it peaked at 3% for the first time since January 2014. Low interest rates have played an important role in the economic recovery of the last decade by making it cheap for people and companies to borrow money. The yield on the 10-year note is a benchmark for many kinds of interest rates including mortgages, and it's been climbing because investors expect greater economic growth and faster inflation. Since the global financial crisis in 2008-09, a combination of low inflation expectations and a bond buying program by the Federal Reserve have helped keep bond yields low, but they have climbed this year as inflation has picked up. Shire's wild-dried drug maker Shire rallied again as the company said it is considering a new offer from Japanese rival Takeda. Bloomberg News reported that the companies are close to a deal and the shares rose 2.2% to $163.53. Shire has rallied in the wake of Takeda's earlier offers, which Shire said weren't good enough. Shire briefly made big gains last week after Botox maker Allergan said it was considering making its own bid, but the stock dipped again after Allergan decided not to make an offer. Small goes big. American consumers got more confident in the economy in April, according to a survey by the Conference Board. Its consumer confidence index is near 18-year highs. Meanwhile, the Commerce Department said sales of new home jumped in March. That helped smaller company stocks, which rose early on and later took smaller losses than their larger peers. Among smaller banks, Simmons First National rose 4.1% to $30.15 and Banner gained 3.9% to $58.01. In the technology industry, electronics manufacturer Sanmina Inc. jumped 18.1% to $32.70. Currencies. The dollar rose to 108.85 yen from 108.65 yen. The euro rose to $1.2229 from $1.2205. Energy. Benchmark U.S. crude oil added 1 cent to $68.65 a barrel in New York. Brent crude, used to price international oils, gained 11 cents to $74.82 per barrel in London. App Markets writer Marley J. can be reached here. His work can be found here.